Hello everyone, my name is Michał and I invite you to another journey into the fascinating world of hoses and fittings for industrial application. Today we will discuss hoses that are characterized by excellent chemical resistance, a wide range of temperature resistance, self-cleaning properties, durability against aging and weather conditions. Best of all, these characteristics are all found in hoses made from PTFE, which, as you well know, stands for polytetrafluoroethylene, commonly known as Teflon. PTFE hoses are used across all industrial sectors for steam, hot oil, fuels, paints, adhesives, high-pressure gases, and in the chemical industry for the transfer and handling of acids, bases, organic solvents, and high aggressive chemicals. PTFE hoses ensure a high level of hygiene and are widely used in the food, cosmetics, pharmaceutical, and biotechnology industries. PTFE hoses for industrial process. These hoses are of the highest quality, meeting various standards and certifications, and can be used in explosion hazard zones. They are employed in industrial facilities that process liquid and gaseous substance. We use them for the safe and clean transfer of materials between tanks, pumps, mixers, reactions, dispensers, and packaging lines. Let's start with the Corroflon hoses. What makes it special? It has a kink-resistant design. To illustrate it, here is a hose with a similar construction but without a steel spire. When the bending radius is exceeded, the hose will simply kink and become damaged. In the case of Corroflon, this problem does not occur, significantly extending the hose lifespan. It is incredibly flexible, even at large diameters with good pressure resistance, vacuum resistance, and external impact resistance. An important feature of this hose is that the standard corrugation angle of PTFE hoses is 45 degrees, whereas for Corroflon it's range between 18 and 120 degrees. This ensures excellent self-cleaning and easy drainage of substance from the hose. The hose spire is directly welded to the fittings, providing secure attachment and electrical continuity. The thick hose will minimize the potential permeability through the PTFE wall and allows for the creation of flat fittings. Speaking of flaring, here's what it's about. There are three methods for fittings on PTFE hoses, with flaring being the most hygienic. The hose tube is treated inside the fittings and then flared over the sealing surface of the fittings. The hose braid is placed over the fitting's tail and clamped with a crimping feather. The substance flowing through the hose contacts only the chemical resistant Teflon. Additionally, the inner surface of the fittings is continuous, smooth, and free from areas where bacteria can develop. The second method is encapsulated fittings, where the fittings is made of stainless steel and coated with a PTFE layer. The medium flowing through the hose contacts only the chemical resistance Teflon, eliminating any corrosion resistance issues with the metallic fittings material. The last method is the standard fittings, which involves inserting a stainless steel fittings inside the hose and crimping with a classic crimping feather. The fitting has a hygienic finish that minimizes any steps at the end. But back to the Corroflon hose. You are probably wondering why it comes in two colors, light and black. The medium flowing through a hose can become electrically charged. Electrical charge can accumulate inside the hose, and once a certain voltage is reached, a sudden discharge can occur, potentially leading to a spark that could ignite or cause any explosion. I have an example of such a hose to show you what this situation looks like. To prevent this, black Teflon with added carbon is used, known as AS version or Antistatic version. This allowed for the dissipation and dispersion of accumulated charges. Additionally, aside from the AS version, there is also the EC version, electrical continuity. In this version, the hose ends are directly connected by a conductor, either a copper wire or a stainless steel braid. Other Corroflon version, SP version. Feature a special dense corrugated profile, providing greater pressure resistance and increased flexibility and kink resistance. TO version, a Corroflon hose without an outer layer used for low pressure application where external protection is not needed. This version allowed for flow visualization. PB version with a polypropylene braid. It is used where frequent manual handling and movement of the hose are required, as it is 20% lighter and any fiber breakage does not harm the operator's hands. Additionally, the polypropylene braid offers good chemical resistance. KYB version comes with a kynar braid, which is characterized by high chemical resistance. It is used in highly corrosive external environments where slow penetration through the PTFE wall of substances such as chlorine, bromine or hydrofluoric acids occurs. HB version available upon special requires. This Corroflon hose features a Hestelloy alloy braid suitable for highly corrosive external environments. SSRC Black, SSRC Blue, SSRC SI version. Stainless steel braid hoses covered with blue or black EPDM rubber or silicone. This makes cleaning the outer layer much easier and the covering protects the operator's hands. For instance, the black EPDM rubber version is flame retardant. The next hose is Bioflex Ultra. The Bioflex Ultra is available with both standard and flat fittings, used for transporting aggressive chemicals, food, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetic substances. It is widely used as a process hose for the highest standards. The hose features a unique patent design with external spiral corrugated but smooth inner tube. Between the corrugation and reinforced spiral made of stainless steel is placed. The Bioflex Ultra offered significantly greater resistance to cycling bending and lower permeability to gases. Benefits of Bioflex Ultra compared to a typical corrugated PTFE hoses. Cleanliness and hygienic, due to the lack of the internal corrugation. Flow, over twice the flow rate, resulting in process saving. Pressure, over 1.5 times higher, improving safety. Drainage, excellent thanks to the absence of internal corrugation and the use of flat or hygienic fittings. Additionally, less obviously benefits. Quiet. During the rapid flow of liquids or gases, there are no vibration, noises or characteristic whistling sounds. Comparing Bioflex Ultra to a typical smooth rubber hoses with PTFE lining, there is no adhesive bonding of layers in Bioflex Ultra. It has much great flexibility and elasticity. There is no internal deformation when bent, ensuring an uninterrupted flow even with a bent hose. Now let's look at the benefits compared to a typical smooth silicone hoses. Easier cleaning, thanks to the non-stick properties of PTFE. Greater chemical resistance, especially to strong oxidizing acids and bases. Higher pressure and temperature resistance, due to the PTFE material and hose construction. Resistance to steam sterilization. Multiple sterilization do not damage the hose. The hose does not collapse when the maximum bending radius is exceeded. The flow remains uninterrupted. Just like with Corroflon, the same version of the hose are available here. AS, TO, PB, etc. Now it's time for the Pharmaline N and X hoses. The hoses are also made from external spiral corrugated but smooth inner PTFE that complies with FDA standards. The Pharmaline X is intended for lighter application and lower pressure because it does not have a stainless steel braid, make it more transparent and allowing for flow visualization. These hoses are covered externally with platinum-cured silicone, ensuring external cleanliness. They are a lighter version of the Bioflex hose, mainly intended for application requiring high internal and external cleanliness, such as in the pharmaceutical, biotechnology, and high-purity chemical industry. Their unique patent design ensures high flexibility and resistance to kinking and cycling bending while maintaining all the advantages of smooth internal surface. The Pharmaline hose offers much easier cleaning and resistance to multiple steam sterilization compared to traditional silicone hoses. The Pharmaline N and Pharmaline X silicone cover hoses can be immersed external for cleaning, providing total cleanliness according to 3A standards. As you may have guessed, these hoses are also available in AS version. Regarding to pressure directive and CE marking, we are authorized to manufacture and mark the hoses with the CE symbol. All of these hoses are tested at 150% of the maximum working pressure, so we can be confident in their safety. The next hose is the FaBline. The FaBline hose is made from external spire corrugated but smooth inner PTFE. Between the corrugation there is a reinforcing spiral made of stainless steel. The FaBline also has pressure reinforcement in the form of a stainless steel braid. FaBline RC Blue version, externally covered with a smooth, easy to clean EPDM rubber. FaBline RC SI version, externally covered with gray, smooth, easy to clean platinum cured silicone, ensuring the hose external cleanliness. The FaBline is a variant of the Bioflex hose that meets various standards, approvals and certification, specifically designed for the food industry and its unique requirements. Its smooth internal bore ensures a large, uninterrupted flow up to twice of corrugated hose and easy of cleaning. Even thick food products can be conveyed through FaBline hoses without blocking the flow. Its unique patent design ensures high flexibility, resistance to kinking and cyclic bending, and maintains a round cross-section on bends, which reduce flow turbulence and prevents issues like foaming in dispensed beverages. The very smooth outer surface of the EPDM rubber or silicone is easy to keep clean. The FaBline hose offers much easier cleaning and greater resistance to multiple steam sterilization than traditional silicone hoses. It is used with hygienic stainless steel fittings available in both standards and flared version. This hose is also available in AS version, which is anti-static with black Teflon. In the appropriately selection version, the FaBline hose can be used in explosion hazard zone. The working pressure and vacuum remain constant throughout the allowable temperature range. The last hose in this series is Corroline Plus. The Corroline Plus hose is smooth on inside, corrugated on the outside, and intended particularly for chemical plants for the transfer of all types of very aggressive chemical substances, including concentrate acids, bases and solvents. The Corroline Plus fully meets the requirements for hoses used for aggressive, often hazardous chemical substances, ensuring a safe working environment even under harsh dynamic conditions of cyclic bending. It features low permeability to gases. The smooth inner layer prevents the medium build-up on the walls and does not disturb the flow. The hose can be made in the known version, standard with stainless steel fittings, and cap with Teflon coated fittings and flared. Between the PTFE corrugation there is a spire made of stainless steel, providing resistance to kinking and vacuum. The stainless steel braid gives the structure resistance to internal pressure, while a thick layer of free resistance EPDM rubber protects the hose from external damage. Additionally, for hose in size from 1 to 3 inch, a second spire made of carbon steel is placed in the rubber layer to prevent kinking. The hose outer rubber layers is smooth and shiny, allowed for easy cleaning. The Corroline hose meets the requirements to qualify as a fire-resistant hose. As in other cases, this hose can be made from natural PTFE or black antistatic PTFE. Like the Pharmaline hoses, we are authorized to manufacture and mark the hoses with the CE symbol. When it comes to fittings used for Corroline or other hoses, the range is quite broad. From standard fittings with male or female threads to cam lock, safe lock, hygienic fittings, PN flange, and dry disconnect couplings, we can provide the full package of possibilities. Thank you for your attention, and we invite you to follow our channel.